Today we are discussing about the cooperative game. Cooperative game is the branch of the game of theory. In a game theory, the game theory is divided into two parts or two forms. First is cooperative game and second is non-cooperative game. Today we are discussing about the cooperative game. So what is cooperative game? In a game theory, a cooperative game, coalition game, is a game which is competition between groups of players due to the possibilities of the extensive enforce of cooperative behavior. In the game theory, a cooperative game is a game which is used the competition game between the groups of both players to get a possibility outcomes which take informations about the players' performance or cooperative behaviors. Cooperative games are often analyzed through the framework of the cooperative game theory, which focused on predicting coalition will form the joint actions that groups take and the resulting collective payoffs. That means the cooperative games often analyze the frameworks. In the cooperative game, we are analyze the frameworks and which is basically focused players how to work and what's result to collecting a payoff, and this payoff is just a predictable, that is not a valuable. A cooperative game theory provides high level approach as it only describes the structure, strategies and payoff correlations. That means the cooperative game provide a high level of approach and he structured the strategies and payoffs. The cooperative game is just like a practice game which is just decide how to strategy what outcome will be getting. Now we understand the cooperative game in example. If a company competed with own products, example Redmi launch a phone which affects a selling old Redmi phones. Here we are observed that the competition has own product, while the solution concepts are the core and the safely value. Core value. The core is the set of the imputations such that each correlation receive at least as much as it can create on its own. This concept formalized a notion of individual and correlational self-interest. The core is thus appropriate to the model the competitive nature of the free and competitive interaction. Its mean the set of imputation such as at least receive its own, it can create its own self. In that formation is mostly used in individual forms and self for itself. In this type of competition is of nature free, that is just a practice of the players. Safely value. The safely value is the average added value of an agent to all possible correlations. It always exists and is unique. It emphasizes the fairness of the division of the value among agents. Its mean a safely is a value which is added a possible outcome and it is a exit. In this type value, its exit is always exist and it is a unique value, and it is emphasizes the fairness division among fairness division value among agents.